Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means it is the YouTubers Nail Art Stamping Weekly Collabs, and this week the host is Judinka Nail Art, and the theme is Seashell. So I thought this one was pretty good. I don't think I've actually done just seashell nails, so I kind of had to look through my plates and see what I had. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So like always, I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video, and I will have their links in the description box below. So be sure to check everyone out. If you're coming over from their channel, welcome. I hope you like what you see, and I hope that you will subscribe as well. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna share with you everything I'm going to be using to do my seashell nail design for today. So currently this is what we are starting off with as a base. So I used a bunch of different polishes to get this look. So I used Bio Seaweed Gel No Sanding Base Coat for my base. And then on my pinky and my ring finger, I used this polish. This is Mousse. Oops. From Bio Seaweed Gel as well. So this is number 57. So I did a coat or two coats of that on my my ring finger and my pinky. And then I used this Born Pretty Store powder. I don't actually have a name on it, sorry guys, to get the look. So it's just kind of a shimmery, kind of flaky powder to do that. And then on the rest of my fingers, I used one of my favorites. This is Bio Seaweed Gel, and this is 58 Peony. So I did that for the rest of them. And then I topped it off with my base coat from Bio Seaweed Gel again. This is the No Wipe top coat, so I used that to top it off. So these are gel polishes, by the way, so you do need an LED lamp. To stamp with today, we're going to use a few different plates. I have Sailor Collection 20. This is from Muyu London, and if you guessed it, I am going to be using that shell image right there, so Muyu London. And then I'm also going to use this one here. This is Sailor Collection 08, and I'm going to probably use that one. I think that's it for this plate. And then I'm also going to use this Bundle Monster BMS 190 stamping plate. I guess it's Manology now, but I think you can still get these. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to be using this one. And then to stamp with, I am going to be using Born Pretty Store, and this is the silver one. And then I think I'm going to be using this one as well, and this one is called Tender. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. and that is the finished nail design. So I hope you guys liked today's design. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.